More than 1,000 U.S. troops will be deployed to assist with the nationwide vaccination rollout amid fears of a new surge in infections and deaths caused by multiple new COVID-19 strains. According to Pentagon, 1,110 active duty service members will be sent to support 5 FEMA COVID-19 vaccination centers. The first contingent of troops will begin operations next week, with additional vaccination missions soon to follow. President Joe Biden has called for setting up 100 mass vaccination centers around the country within a month. Biden's national vaccination campaign aims to administer 100 million doses of 2-stage coronavirus vaccines in his first 100 days in office. According to Johns Hopkins University, more than 100,000 people in the U.S. have died of COVID-19 since January 1st this year, as the country are ramping up vaccine rollout. About 59.3 million vaccine doses have been distributed across the country, and over 42 million have been administered as of Monday, according to data from CDC. Xinhua correspondents reporting from Washington, D.C.